Hello, how do I confirm a stock is ready for entry? Let's take an example of CMI as of May 18, 26 to analyze. So when I'm looking at CMI, I already decide where I would like to buy this stock, and it is the teal support line. And that is pretty much how I confirm that this stock is ready for me to buy some share. So I like to buy it at this line, and right now it's not there, it's going up. We'll go back to maximum daily chart, and my analysis will just be to compare where the price is to where it's coming from. And right now it's coming from the top of the mountain. It's down a little bit, but it's nowhere near where we like to buy. When it pulls back and touch base with that support line, that is when I will make my purchase. I choose where I like to buy the stocks, and I like to buy at the higher lows of the chart, the bottom of the chart, the higher lows. That is the lowest point is going to get to. I might have multiple support lines passing by the higher lows, and I will see the one based on the strategy that I'm using, long up to long swing trading strategy, the support line that is long enough to be the lowest point that is most likely to pull back to. And this will be most likely. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. And those dotted lines are years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or so. Between 9 and 10 is this line. This is long enough. It's less likely to come down to this one, but this is long enough to be the new valley line, the new support line at the valley of the chart that it will pull back to. And there is where I will wait to buy. When it gets there, there is a chance it might pull back down a little bit. There is even a chance that it might come down to this line as well. But this is going to be my buying point. I decide what I like to buy. If it goes below that, I'll be negative in it for a little bit. I'll be okay with it, keeping it there until it is ready to start going up again. It's a growth stock, so at some point it's going to go up. So I'm not going to worry about that. And here it pulled back in 2025, didn't touch base with it quite before it start going up, so it does not need to touch base with it. But when it's close, I'll be able to buy some share, because it's not really a line necessarily. It could be an area, that area. But yeah, and for the time being, I'll just keep observing it. It could take a while, continue going up until it's ready to start pulling back. And that is my way of confirming an entry before I go in. And at this point, there is no entry here. It's more in the exit session for me. If I have it in my portfolio, I'll be thinking about selling it, but I don't have it in my portfolio. Therefore, I'm looking to buy, and it's nowhere near for me to buy it yet. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. And with the strategy you use to swing trade or to buy and sell stocks, how do you confirm entry point before you buy? Thank you for your time. Happy swing trading. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I swing trade in our personal account, and I like to share my knowledge and my skills here. If there are few things you can improve and use in your own financial success journey, that'll be good. So thank you so much for your time. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Option Line in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. We sow to sell. So if you are in the market for cloth napkins, will you please check it out. So thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.